Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use SUNO AI on the SUNO mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the SUNO app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the plus button or create at the bottom mid to start a new song. Now tap on the option that says custom at the top. Now you will see a field to fill in like song title, lyrics or prompt or style. In the lyrics prompt, type what you want your song to be about, and in the style box, describe how you want your song to sound like. After that, tap create or generate and wait a few seconds. Suno AI will use your ideas to create a complete song with music and vocals. Now tap play to listen to your new song. You can save, share or keep creating more songs with Suno AI from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.